Looking for the best printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2980. Setting up and maintaining an ink tank printer adds a few extra steps, and I was a little wary of them at first. This Epson EcoTank ET2980 was the most straightforward and non-threatening I tested. The ink bottles mount right into keyed holes, so you can't mix them up, with no extra drips or dribbles, and there were no extra bits to install or configure, just a one-time skin sheet to check the alignment. It was also the easiest to secure if I needed to move it without getting ink everywhere. Print quality is excellent, and slower than the laser printers, but quick enough for most home use. It includes a flatbed scanner, making it one of the best equipped printers for the price, particularly when you take into account the savings from refillable ink. My only minor complaint here is that it uses a vertical feeding paper tray from the rear, which means a lower 100-page print capacity. The upside is that means better paper compatibility, since the pages don't have to make a complete turn. For homes that print and scan occasionally, and want something flexible and inexpensive to maintain, this is my pick. Number 2. Brother HL-L3280CDW. As long as you don't need a scanner, I'd check out the Brother HL-3280CDW. It printed slower than the black and white model, but still fast for the group, with a nice crisp detail level, and it isn't too noisy. The touch screen makes setup and adjusting options straightforward, and I was able to set it and forget it. This no-frills printer is great for mostly black and white with occasional color printing, with a fairly compact footprint and a second manual feed paper tray. Photos tend to come out much richer and more detailed on inkjet printers, but color laser printers still do a great job at faster speeds, particularly for colorful handouts or simple brochures. Specs: Print type color laser. Connectivity Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Paper handling input, 250, output, 150. Number 3. Brother HL-L2460DW. Even though the Brother HL-L2460DW runs nice and quiet, it was one of the faster printers in my testing, making it a great choice for a home office printing out invoices, or a classroom that needs lots of handouts in a hurry. If you're printing out dozens of pages per day, all of them in black and white, and never scanning, you'll save a lot of cash going with this laser option. Setup isn't entirely intuitive. There's only a single line readout, and limited buttons for entering a Wi-Fi password, but I only had to grapple with it once. Once it's running, it requires little to no upkeep or changing settings. It's fast, cheap to run daily, fits cleanly onto any shelf, and just needs a power cable. Specs: Printer type black and white laser. Connectivity Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Paper handling input, 250, output, 100. Number 4. HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301SDW. The HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301SDW is probably more feature-packed than most casual users would need, but if I showed up to work one day and it was near my desk, I'd say Santa came early. This would be a great fit for a home office where multiple people are often printing out full-color promotional sheets or invitations. It's fully connected, with dual-band Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, so you could park this anywhere in your small office and have the whole team printing. It's fast enough I won't be waiting on someone else to finish their job, and quiet enough I wouldn't be mad to sit nearby. My only minor complaint here is that the document feeder up top likes to crunch documents if you don't get the holder's position exactly right, so just make sure to use the flatbed for anything important. Specs: Print type color laser. Connectivity Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Paper handling input, 250, output, 100. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. While I think ink tank and laser printers offer a better value and user experience, I can understand feeling more comfortable dealing with classic ink cartridges. This upgraded HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is the newer model of the printer that powered my business for the last year or so. It's fully featured, with both a flatbed and document scanner, and it was one of the speedier non-laser printers I tested with full-color printing. It also boasts the widest support for paper types and sizes on the list, although it doesn't always grab the right number of pages when working with thicker stock, something I noticed on the older version as well. With an easy setup process, minimal software needed, and wide feature set, this would be a great option for people who don't want to think about their printer often, they just want it to work when they need it. Specs: Print type color ink cartridge. Connectivity Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Paper handling input, 250, output, 100.